Hey, good morning. It's Superbowl Sunday. I'm super excited. I'm on the road. I'm driving home. I'm going to spend time with my wife and kids again. I'm hanging with you. But I'm not excited about the football game. Hey, I played football in high school. I actually did really well. Anyways, I love the game. I get it. And if you've never seen American football or you don't know much about it, it's not just a whole bunch of teams and men just running around, wild, smashing into each other. The interesting thing about football is every step and the lean that a person takes has been choreographed. It's like a giant dance and strategy mixed together. So if it looks like chaos to you, it's not. However, I don't even know if I'm going to watch the game. I guess I'll probably watch the game. It really depends. I'm doing 90 miles an hour. I'll be home in time. But look, I'm super excited because the markets are going to open. And I got to get home. Well, I have 2 papers I need to write by tomorrow night. So I got that. Thank you, Harvard. But what else do I have to do? I have to do my fundamental analysis. We have a huge trading week coming up. There's lots of news in the middle. It ends with non-farm payrolls. And that means some traders are going to make some of the trades before all the volatility, right? So they're going to be planning basically at the market open, right? Whenever the market opens for them, whenever they get out of bed, first thing they want to do Monday is get their trades on and then jam their stops, because if it goes their way throughout the week and with NFP, then they're going to make a lot of money. If it doesn't go their way throughout the week and then with non-farm payrolls, then they break even, right? That sort of padding. Because only a small part of the market actually reacts to the news. They wait for the news to come out and then they do something. Wow, that's pretty amateur. So we got that, but it's also the beginning of February. You got to have your Feb on by now. I mean, really, you should have had February planned a week or 2 ago, right? So there's things to do. So I got to get back, got to go through the calendar, find out what's important this week, and then I'll probably spend an hour trying to find, almost any kind of fundamental economic news over the last week. Like I might see how is Asia over the weekend responding to the coronavirus? Are things getting worse or better? Because that's going to affect market sentiment, all that kind of stuff, or whatnot, right? So I just got to find something to be interested in this week. So I don't know. And this is what you're also supposed to be doing, right? Also, hey, if you're in my swing trading group, I want to remind you that I gave you a challenge on Thursday, trading from my hotel room, by the way, right? So anyways, I gave you a challenge on Thursday. I want you to go through your charts, find your reasons, plan out your month, what is going to happen on one particular currency pair, in the entire month of February. You should have it all planned out, and I want you to try to get your trades on so that when we meet on Thursday, you can show me, you show the team what you did, right? Why you took it, what's the logic behind it, and then I guess you probably should throw in, how long is this bias? Is it going to be all of February? Or are you going to run this out till June? And what's the logic behind that, right? So, but even if you're not in my swing trading group, you should be doing that on your own, right? So that's cool, right? So there's lots to be doing. And then lastly, I don't know, maybe you're not me, maybe you are like me, but I actually get a certain satisfaction where, everyone might be kind of sitting around drinking beer, eating dip, watching the game. Most people watch the Super Bowl 3 hours before it even starts. They're watching the football, watching the game, watching the pre-game activities and shoving their face full of dip and drinking beer and stuff. And I'm like, I got things to do. This is my profession. I take pride in what I do. And I'll watch the game, but if I was with a big crew, I'd say, hey guys, I got to step out for a while. The markets are opening. I gotta keep my eyes on the dollar, the yen, the markets might be moving based on this coronavirus. Asia might open up and things might go bad. Plus I got this gold trade on, I got this other trade on, and it's all coming together, and I got to do something. I have a responsibility, right? Now imagine you're managing, $1 million or $2 or $3 million worth of other people's money, right? You're an opium trader, right? Other people's money, OPM. If you imagine you're doing this, what do you think your priority should be, right? Getting drunk on Super Bowl and watching the game? Hey, I didn't say you couldn't do it. Stay sober, watch some of the game, enjoy some of the game, but in between, make sure you're managing that other person's money, because that was your commitment to them. Make sure you find opportunities for them, manage the risk when you get them in opportunities, and then let those winners run so that they can make the maximum return on their capital with the lowest risk possible. So this is what you do. Even if you're only managing $200 in your own account, be a big boy today, right? Put your big boy pants on today, because this is just another challenge that we always get, right? Remember, Forex is pretty easy. It's only technical and fundamental analysis, but life is complicated. Being a like for me, I have to be a dad, I have to be a husband, I have to be a coach and mentor, I have to be true to myself, I have to be a son to my parents, right? So there's all these things going on. Plus, I probably should live a little bit healthier of a lifestyle, and I'm trying, and I'm a student, and then all this stuff, it's all crazy. So you can focus and harness all that energy, right? You don't have to freak out. Just make sure you do it. It's a baby step. What's the big deal stepping out for 20 or 30 minutes to make sure the market opens properly and everything is set, and you think about it for a while, what's going to happen the rest of the day, the rest of the week, rest of the month, and say goodbye all to the chaos. All right, so anyways, those are my thoughts to you. Weighing at 90 miles an hour. Goodbye, Tennessee. And I'll see you guys Monday morning. Thanks for being on my team. Appreciate you. Cheers.